In this video, you'll learn how to see the conversation history in Perplexity AI. By following these steps, you will be able to access and review your previous interactions effortlessly. Begin by opening the Perplexity AI application on your device. Ensure that you have a stable internet connection, as this will facilitate a smooth experience while navigating the platform. Once the application is open, direct your attention to the left sidebar of the interface. This sidebar is where you will find various options related to your account and conversations. Next, locate and click on either the option labeled Threads or the one marked My Conversations. Selecting one of these options will display a list of your saved threads, showcasing all the conversations you have previously engaged in. After making your selection, you may need to scroll through the displayed list to find the specific past conversation you are looking for. Depending on how many threads you have, this list may vary in length. When you locate the desired thread, click on it to open and continue the conversation. This action will allow you to revisit the exchange and pick up where you left off, providing continuity in your interactions. If you have a significant number of threads, consider using any available search features to quickly find specific conversations. This can save time and enhance your efficiency when navigating through your history. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.